Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today we shall be learning chapter number 7 Soils question answers from 7th standard geography. So without delaying the time, let's begin with the exercise. First complete the following table. Then आपको यहाँ पर factor और process दिया है. Then you have to write role in the formation of soil. So first is parent rock. Parent rock का आएगा determines the type of soil with its weathering or leaching. Second, regional climate determines the intensity of the process of weathering or leaching of parent rock. Third, organic material maintains the pH value of soil. Fourth, microorganisms help decomposition of dead remains of organic material and so the proportion of humus content. Now see the next question. Why do the following occur? First, to the west of Sahyadri, laterite soil are formed from basalt rock. Answer. It rains heavily to the west of Sahyadri, that is Konkan region. The climate to the west of Sahyadri is humid. Heavy rainfall and humidity leads to leaching of basalt rock on a large scale. This process gives rise to lateral soil. Thus, to the west Sahyadri's lateral soil are from basalt rock. Next, humus contents in the soil increases. Answer. The regular use of organic manures, vermicompost, compost help in maintaining the pH balance in the soil. A large number of microorganisms exist in the soil with high pH. Microorganisms decompose the dead remains of the plants and animals and other organic material. The biotic material thus produced is called humus. Thus, by regular use of organic manures, humus content in the soil increases. Third, soil formation process is faster in equatorial climate. Answer. The time for soil formation depends upon the climate of the region. In the region of high rainfall and higher temperatures, the process of soil formation is faster. In the equatorial region, rainfall is high and the temperature is also high. So, soil formation process is faster in the equatorial climate. Now see the fourth. The salinity of the soil increases. Answer. When we give water to crops and plants, plants take water from the soil. While some water gets evaporated, but the salts remains in the soil. Excessive irrigation draws the salt from the soil upwards and make the soil saline. In this way, the salinity of soil increases. Now see the fifth. Rice is the staple diet of the people from Konkan. Answer. The moist and humid climate, moderate rainfall of Konkan region is favorable for the growth of rice crop. Type of soil is also an important factor for the growth of different crops. Lateral soil in Konkan region is favorable for rice crops. So the production of rice is more in Konkan. Hence, rice is the staple diet of the people from Konkan. Sixth, soil erosion. Answer. The topmost layer of soil gets removed due to wind or water. Due to running water, slope of the land and winds, the upper layer of soil gets eroded. Thus, soil erosion takes place. Seventh, soil degradation. Answer. To obtain a higher agriculture yield, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, weedicides, etc. are used. The excessive spraying of chemicals and use of chemical fertilizers lead the decrease the quality of soil. In this manner, soil gets degraded. Next, question number 3. Give information on first measures of soil conservation. Students, आपको इसका आंसर मिलेगा पेज नंबर 43 पे. Planting trees can also control the velocity of the wind. This help reducing the erosion. यहाँ से लेके आपको लिखना है. नेक्स्ट पेज पे ये पूरा लास्ट लाइन देखो. Connecting the stream etc. are being carried out and on a large scale. यहाँ तक के लिखना आपको इसका आंसर. Next, organic manures. Answer. Organic manures, vermicompost, composts etc. are the organic manures. Large number of earthworms, ants and many other microorganisms are found in organic manures are used for farming. These microorganisms helps the decomposition of the dead remains of the plants and animals. This increases the proportion of humus in the soil and the soil becomes fertile. Thus, for conserving soil, the use of organic manure is highly essential. Next, third, place where you will get the information about the suitability of a soil for a particular crop. Answer. The information about the suitability of a soil for a particular crop can be obtained from the Department of Agriculture. Government of Maharashtra soil testing laboratories at state level and agricultural universities. The type of soil, the fertility of soil, the proportion of humus in soil, etc. are tested in soil testing laboratories at state levels. On the basis of the analysis of the soil, the information about its suitability for a particular crop is given to farmers. Next, fourth, importance of soil for plant growth. Answer: for the production and growth of plants, soil is indispensable. They provide support to the plants. Vegetation is abundant in the regions that have fertile soil. Though favorable climate, availability of abundant water and sunlight are necessary for growth of a plant, these alone are not sufficient. Fertile soils favor plant growth. Number 4, complete the following table with reference to soil. इफेक्ट में लिखेंगे हम रिडक्शन इन इरोजन ऑफ सॉइल ड्यू टू हैवी रेन्स एंड रिजल्ट आएगा इसका इंक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी। सेकंड में आपको एक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है, देन इसका आएगा प्लांटिंग ट्रीज एंड रिजल्ट में आएगा इसका इंक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी। थर्ड में एक्शन आपको ऑलरेडी दिए है, फार्म लैंड इज केप्ट फॉलो फॉर सम पीरियड एंड इफेक्ट फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल गेट्स मेंटेन्ड एंड रिजल्ट इसका आएगा इंक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी। फोर्थ में आएगा यूज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर्स, यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी दिया ह्यूमस कंटेंट इंक्रीज्ड एंड इसका आएगा रिजल्ट इंक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी। नेक्स्ट आपको फिफ्थ वाला है ट्रेंचेस आर डग अक्रॉस अ स्लोप, तो इसका इफेक्ट फाइंड आउट करना है। इफेक्ट में आएगा चेक ओवर द वेलोसिटी ऑफ वाटर रनिंग अलोंग द स्लोप्स, हैंस रिडक्शन इन सॉइल इरोजन एंड इसका रिजल्ट आएगा इंक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी। सिक्स्थ, लिटर इज बर्न्ट इन द फार्म, तो इसका इफेक्ट फाउंड आउट करना है। द प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ एश इन सॉइल गेट्स इंक्रीज्ड, इसका इफेक्ट आएगा डिक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी। देन सेवेंथ वन, यूज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर्स प्रूव्स फेवरेबल फॉर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, सो इसका इफेक्ट आएगा इंक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी। नाउ सी दी एट्थ वन, excessive irrigation, salt content in the soil increases and इसका result आएगा decrease in fertility. Now see the next last one, chemical fertilizer use excessively, effect इसका आएगा decrease the number of microorganisms and so the proportion of humus in the soil and इसका result आएगा decrease in fertility. So students, यहाँ पर हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 7 सॉइल्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर फिनिश हुए और चैप्टर नंबर 1 to 6 की नोट्स भी दी गई है। अगर आपको अदर सब्जेक्ट्स की नोट्स भी चाहिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं और इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी ज़रूर शेयर करना।